Ito ta. Ito ba ogman?
Si Sir Oni, o si Sir Laro, kaya kasapaw na lang nila. Kaamba ko na siya, kaamba ko.
Lakat na pod!
Ini ako si
Musaka si Sir Oni sa taas. Sob.
Okay. Hi! This is Oni.
This is Borgo Susamari from the National Geographic, sponsored by AXAT. Yes. Together with me is Mr. Oni Peña, my cameraman. Here we have is the Leaning Tower of Pisa, but the difference is it is already standing straight. Yeah, I just moved it. Yeah. As you can see, I will be climbing on top of the tower later, together with Mr. Oni Peña, because Ma'am Denise of Talba and Mr. Laro is nasa Rilipan. Yeah, they were looking for some clothes. So
Okay, walk.
here we have is the church, the most famous church of the 1864. Yeah, with the Christmas tree.
Where's the Christmas tree?
Yeah, because the celebration here of Christmas is prolonged. That's why we still have the Christmas tree. Okay. We still have to ask permission if we could go up to the tower and see the view.
Ask some people around.
Yeah, maybe. Who can we ask? It's raining. That's why we can.
Yeah, over there, in the Department of Labor.
They're busy. So
Maybe.
we could, yeah. Oh, as you can see, the door of the tower is locked. So maybe tomorrow or maybe on Friday we could go up there and see the view. So now let's just roam around. Okay, Mr. Laro is now calling for. So Mr. Laro is asking us if we are, if my cell phone is PM and Mr. Oni is logo. He will be giving us load.
Oh, really?
Really awesome. Here you can see birds flying in the wind.
Where is it?
Yeah, as you can see, the kind of transportation here is secure. It's still the, what we call, antique model of motorcycle.
Like a jeepney.
Yeah, it's like a jeepney.
Yes, but that's the tricycle. Our time. This time.
Okay, so I think we should go back. Oh, okay. Let's go to the, what we call the landmark of secure, which you can see is right over there.
Ay, gani. Dagmad yung kuha nito.
Okay, there it is.